Namaste, hello, greetings to all. My name is Tamanna Tiwari and welcome to India Kitchen. Today we are going to make something that is loved by majority people. We are going to make hummus mushroom toasties. Are you guys ready to fill up your bellies? Let's put on our chef hats and let's begin.
The ingredients of pea hummus mushroom toasties are boiled chana 1 cup, mushroom 3/4 cup finely chopped, peas half cup, coriander leaves half cup, garlic cloves 8 to 9, garlic 2 teaspoon chopped, lemon juice 2 teaspoon, roasted sesame seeds 1.5 tablespoon, olive oil 2 tablespoon, boiled chana water 4 to 5 tablespoons, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, oregano 1 teaspoon, chili flakes half teaspoon, bread 1 slice. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon olive oil and 2 teaspoon chopped garlic. Saute the garlic. Once the garlic is sauteed well, add 3/4 cup of chopped mushroom and mix it well. Now add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon chili flakes and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and mix it well. Once done, keep the mushrooms aside on a plate. In a mixer grinder, add 1 cup boiled chana, half cup peas, half cup coriander leaves, 8 to 9 garlic cloves, 1.5 tablespoon roasted sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 4 to 5 tablespoon boiled chana water, half teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon salt. Grind everything together. The pea coriander hummus is now ready. Take a toasted bread slice and generously spread the hummus on it and add the cooked mushrooms. The pea coriander hummus mushroom toasty is now ready. The ingredients for beetroot hummus mushroom toasties are boiled chana 1 cup, beetroot half, mushroom half cup, roasted sesame seeds 1.5 tablespoon, chana water 4 to 5 tablespoon, olive oil 2 tablespoon, garlic cloves 7 to 8, garlic 1 teaspoon chopped, lemon juice 2 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, oregano 1 teaspoon, chili flakes half teaspoon, red slice 1. Take the half beetroot and 1 garlic clove on a piece of foil. Add little olive oil and coat it well. Cover the foil and roast the beetroot in a preheated oven for 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. You can also roast the beetroot on gas. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and half cup chopped mushroom. Mix it well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon chili flakes and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Mix everything well. Once the mushrooms are done, set them aside on a plate. In a mixer grinder, add 1 cup boiled chana, roasted beetroot, 4 to 5 tablespoon chana water, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoon roasted sesame seeds, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper. Grind everything together. Take a toasted bread and spread the beetroot hummus generously. Now add the cooked mushroom evenly. If you want, you can also keep your beetroot hummus a little chunky, keeping small bits of beetroot in the hummus. The pea coriander hummus mushroom toasties and the beetroot hummus mushroom toasties are now ready. It's the perfect evening snack. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it. Thank you to all the subscribers who subscribe to our channel, and if you haven't, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Please leave your feedback in the comment section below. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.